Welcome back, friends, it's Anders. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Black Manhattan, which is a riff on a Manhattan. Fairly new riff on a Manhattan. It's about 5 years old. This cocktail is essentially a Manhattan, but instead of sweet vermouth, we use Amaro. We're also going to add a little orange bitters, but what's important is the Amaro, and I'm especially excited because I'm using this Amaro. This bottle is from 1966. We tasted this in a previous video, the Vintage Amari video. Check it out if you haven't. It was delicious. The video was delicious. But you don't have to use an old Amaro. Any Amaro will do. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We're happy to have you. Hit that subscribe button for more sips, tips, and recipes. So how about a Black Manhattan to the bar? All right, here we go. Everybody, are you ready? You ready? This cocktail is all booze, so we will be shaking it. No, we won't be shaking it. You're absolutely right. Good. You passed the test, well done. This cocktail is all booze, so we're gonna stir this cocktail. I've got my bar spoon, mixing glass, julep strainer, my jigger for measuring, and my cocktail glass. I'll be serving this one up, so get your cocktail glass chilling, but if you want it on the rocks, I'm not gonna stop you. Also, grab some cherries because we're gonna garnish this with a cherry. Now the booze. We're gonna need rye whiskey, Amaro, aromatic bitters, and orange bitters. The rye whiskey I'm using is the Rittenhouse 100 proof rye. The Amaro is a 1966 Averna. The aromatic bitters is Angostura, and the orange bitters is Regan's Orange Bitters No. 6. Averna is an Amaro from Sicily that dates back to 1868, when the Benedictine monks gave one of their benefactors, by the name of Salvatore Averna, the recipe. They gave him the recipe because he gave them a lot of money. Kind of still works that way. Over the years, the recipe has remained the same, so this old bottle of Averna is the same recipe that you'll find on the shelves today. As far as the whiskey, I'm using rye because I like the spiciness of the rye, but you can use bourbon. Bourbon would be great. Averna tends to have vanilla notes, and I just think that the rye spice goes well with the vanilla. That's just personal preference. Let's build. We're gonna start with 2 ounces of rye whiskey, and 1 ounce of Amaro. This is really simple, it's just 2 to 1. 2 parts whiskey, 1 part Amaro, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, and 2 dashes of orange bitters. Now we can add ice and stir. We'll stir this until it's chilled and diluted, about 30 seconds. But maybe we can fast forward this in the video so you don't get bored at home. You gotta keep that retention rate up. Oh, over here. Is it weird if I give you tidbits of information at this time? This cocktail was created by Todd Smith at a bar called Bourbon and Branch in San Francisco about 5 years ago. I've been to Bourbon and Branch probably 8 to 10 years ago, so it was before this cocktail came around. I don't remember what I had. I just remember it was really dark inside. It was bright outside and I stepped inside and I couldn't see a thing for a good 15 minutes. Cool spot though. That's it. Yeah. And then strain off the cocktail into your cocktail glass. And I'm gonna garnish with a cocktail cherry. If you've seen the Manhattan video, I garnished with 3 cherries, but today I just want 1. There. It's that easy. You can do this. Everybody can. The Black Manhattan. See? Yeah, that's good. It's like a Manhattan meets a cup of coffee. If you like coffee, you like Manhattans, or you're like me and you like to do shots of bitters, you're gonna like this cocktail. Oz, you should try this one.
Yes. I'm looking forward to trying it.
There's a real subtle bitterness at the end, on par with a cup of coffee, I'd say. But there's a richness too. I get vanilla notes from the Averna, little orange spice. You don't have to do Averna. Another good one would be Ramazzotti, which would be stronger with the orange flavors. It's got orange and cardamom. So if you wanted to bump up the orange flavors, go with Ramazzotti, which is a northern Italian Amaro. But I like the Averna with the rye. These glasses, I'm afraid I'm gonna spill it all the time. Yeah, you could garnish this one with a little orange twist, I think. I think that'd be good. Or lemon twist. I actually do like some Manhattans I like with a lemon twist. Everybody's different. I've only been to San Francisco once. It was a fun trip. It was a research trip for me, And I was really thrilled because one of the new tiki bars out there, Smuggler's Cove, was there, and so that was my big excitement. But I did go to Bourbon and Branch, which was a great little cocktail spot. What else did I do? I ate chocolate, walking up and down hills. Have you ever? You've never been?
I've never been to San Francisco.
Well, I'll tell you what. San Francisco is known for, man, all kinds of things. Full House, the town that brought you Uncle Jesse, Danny Tanner,
Well, I like
Uncle
Jesse.
Joey, to the cast of Full House. You are gonna like this cocktail. Just trust me. Make it and you'll be happy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. There's a truck rattling our windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to be cool. And we will tell you when another video comes out. Good show, good show. Good show!